G'day trendsetters. What you can see here is a rather untidy patch of what's left of the tomato trial that I started back on the 1st of February. I planted seeds, the little Yates patio seed, and we're now basically in the middle of winter. So while I have got tomatoes and they're quite good looking tomatoes, I probably should have picked them last week, but I wanted to save them till I made this video. So we're in the middle of winter, which means they're probably a little bit late. I would have wanted them to ripen earlier. So the idea of the trial was to get away from the summer heat and humidity by planting the traditional early sown tomato seed. The conventional wisdom is to start your tomato seeds before spring gets here, so indoors somewhere, or in a greenhouse or a shade house of some sort. Get them up and get them started, and then when the weather warms up you plant them, which is, you probably have them planted by the end of middle or the end of September here. So when they're finally grown, we're in the middle of our summer, December, January. It's blazing hot, humidity's through the roof, and 9 times out of 9 I don't get a tomato crop. So I'm trying to move the whole thing forward, if you like, or later, so as to escape that heat and humidity. And it's fine that they grow in that period, but it's the ripening of the fruit that I seem to have trouble with. So I planted these in the 1st of February, which, as I said, is a bit late. I'm going to try 2 trials this time. I'm going to try 1st of December and the 1st of January. I'll get there. This coming season, that's 6 months away yet. I think December will be too early. I'm really hoping the January ones, with the heat from January, February, the summer heat, will give me that growth and set flower and probably small fruit, and then I'll start moving into autumn, where the season's a bit gentler and I can get a nice ripening fruit without the humidity, without the fungal diseases and all that sort of rot. But anyhow, this is the end result of the tomatoes that I planted, tomato seeds I planted back on the 1st of February. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to be making some tomato jam, because there's quite a few here. When you start looking, there's quite a few left that haven't ripened, which is always disappointing, but it was a trial. I'll put a link in the description below of the video I made about the trial and the initial planting, just so you can keep up to speed with that. And oh yeah, I've lost that one. He's gone rotten for some reason. These blokes are all right. But so I'll clean that patch up, pull all that, clean that up, and I'll probably put a small crop of peas in for now. I don't know if you can you see across here pretty well? That's what's left of my asparagus. I'll have to cut that right back. I want to move the asparagus from here. It gets a bit of competition from this tree, and it's never done really. It grows well in summer, but it never produces a lot of good little spikes. So I'll dig that up and move it, and I'll probably make a video showing you how I do that. But I'll cut all that back, cut it up. That'll go in the compost. All this will go in the compost, and we'll start all over again. But that's probably it for now. If you've got any questions or any comments, leave them below. And if you found this in any way interesting or helpful, click the like button, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. And and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.